everyone, it's Todd here from Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Join me today as I show you how to make my famous turkey burgers, not only on Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Hello to all my Fox Hallow fam. I'm Todd and welcome to Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. First off, let me be the first to say Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. This week's episode is dedicated, of course, to my dad, the original super genius,
Wile E. Coyote, super genius.
John Hall. Today I'm going to show you how to make my famous turkey burgers. They're simple, easy, and of course, so good. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright, now you guys may be wondering at home, why turkey burgers? Well, if you're anything like me, you know, grease kind of upsets your stomach here a little bit, and I like how turkey burgers taste, especially during like the summer season. So what we're going to go ahead and do is take a pound of lean ground turkey in our bowl here. To that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of hamburger seasoning. Now we use McCormick's, whatever you may have at home. I'm a little tongue-tied here today. This is what I get for taking last week off, huh? We'll start mixing that together here a little bit. To that we're going to add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese.
Yum.
Just adds a little bit of texture to it. And then 2 teaspoons of oregano.
Okay.
And just combine this all together. Just make sure it's nice and evenly distributed. Now, I kind of decided this on a whim. Whenever I was living in my first apartment, I kind of got a little experimental and came across this and played around with it, fine-tuned it, and Dave can even vouch. These are really good.
They're really good, and sometimes beef is more expensive than turkey anymore. So
Yeah.
these are really good burgers.
Plus, they're a little healthier too, I would say.
A little bit, yeah.
So what we're going to go ahead and do, once I got this evenly distributed, we're going to form these into 4 patties, and then we'll proceed to the next step here.
Okay.
All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and make our turkey burger patties. We're just going to go ahead and divide this evenly into 4 bowls here. Yeah, usually 1 pound usually gives you enough for 4 turkey burgers. Looking good there, Dave?
Looking good.
Trying to distribute this evenly. And like I said, I actually prefer turkey burgers as opposed to beef burgers. That's just my personal preference, but this is a recipe I've kind of keep close to the chest, and definitely happy to share this with everybody here today. Well, I have to work on this here a little bit, but
Okay.
we're going to go ahead and have 3 patties here to show everybody. I'm going to go ahead and separate them a little bit better, and then we're going to get these salt and peppered on both sides, and then we're going to get them on the grill.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. All right, so now we got our charcoal grill ready to go here. And so let's go ahead and get our burgers down and get them cooking. And between you and me, I prefer charcoal as opposed to a gas grill.
Okay.
Why do you think that is?
Gives a different flavor.
Yeah, it gives it a little bit more, just in my opinion, a smoky flavor.
Okay.
So we're going to go ahead and get these cooked off, and then we'll eat.
Okay, sounds good.
last thing I like to do before take them off the grill is put a slice of cheese on. Now I'm using Swiss, mainly because turkey and Swiss I think is a really good combination together. So we're just going to go ahead and do that, but you can use whatever type of cheese you prefer. What would you even recommend, Dave?
For this, a hard cheese works better, so Swiss is good. Anything you like, really, honestly.
Yeah, it's personal preference, so we're going to go ahead and just let this melt here a little bit, and then we'll take them off, and then time to eat. Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So, put some lettuce, tomato, and mayo on my burger here. Tasty, simple, and of course, so good. You guys are gonna love it. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before we go, always remember, it's good times and good food on Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.